Want to speak real Indonesian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at indonesianpod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Windy. Hi, saya Windy. Welcome to the Indonesian Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your phone number in Indonesian. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have nol, 0, nol, nol, nol. Next, we have satu, 1, satu, satu, satu. Next, we have dua, 2, dua, dua, dua. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Next, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Next we have 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Last we have 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the phone number. Find the phone number and see how it's used in the dialogue. This is a conversation between Rukmono and Rukmi. Boleh saya minta nomor telepon Anda? Boleh. Nomor saya 0812 34 567. Can you give me your phone number? Sure. My number is 0812 34567. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that our dialogue follows. For positive form, we say, nomor saya, number. My number is number. For negative form, we say, nomor saya bukan number. My number is not number. Indonesian does not have any gender-specific grammatical rules, so there are no masculine and feminine forms to worry about. Some people say kosong instead of nol when telling their phone number. Kosong is grammatically incorrect in this context, but it is used quite often. Do you remember how to say 1? Satu, satu. And how to say 2? Dua, dua. Do you remember how to say 3? Tiga, tiga. And how to say 4? Empat, empat. Do you remember how to say 5? Lima, lima. And how to say 6? 6. 6. Do you remember how to say 7? 7. 7. And how to say 8? 8. 8. Do you remember how to say 9? 9. 9. And how to say 0? 0. 0. Do you remember how to say my number? Nomor saya. Nomor saya. And how to say my number is 081234567. Nomor saya 081234567. Nomor saya 081234567. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your phone number in Indonesian. Thanks for watching. I'm Windy and I will see you on IndonesianPod101.com. Sampai jumpa!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.